A large bear is out searching for food. From a distance, you can see a wolf staring intently at the bear. Perhaps the bear has intruded into the wolf's territory. It stops abruptly and turns to flee, with the wolves starting to give chase. The bear has no intention of fighting back and continues to run. After running for a while, the bear suddenly fights back, surprising the pack of wolves. Let's watch again the moment the bear panicked after accidentally intruding into wolf territory. It then runs away and only fights back once it returns to a territory it feels safe in. A smart strategy by the bear, as it can easily call for reinforcements here. It seems the wolves are hesitant to enter unfamiliar territory. Both sides are still sizing each other up. It seems likely that no fight will take place.